pull up because he's also taking delivery of his R8 that's getting wrapped too. So both the R8s got wrapped at the same time.
Fresh
crazy.
with BBSs?
With BBSs.
Bro, he's back to back. Bro, we're ignorant,
I
bro.
know,
What the hell? Yo, this looks crazy.
You like it?
Hell yeah.
Yours looks crazy, but it looks this.
insane. You're better than mine.
No, it's not, bro.
It looks crazy. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, in person, this looks crazy.
It's sick, right? You haven't seen the color. Look. What do you think?
It fits him.
Fits right?
It fits him
I
like
know.
crazy.
It's like a matte gray, matte black.
This low-key might be my favorite color of one of your cars.
Yeah, it's fire. It might be my favorite color I've done too. Look at both the R8s together, guys. Both on BBSs, both with the wing.
We're ignorant.
I know.
You guys are gonna go up to me and shit.
This isn't real. Yeah, we gotta go to a meet ASAP, dude.
Not real.
I gotta get the R8 logo back on.
Yeah,
Cause right now it looks kind of naked without it. We're playing real life video games.
No, we are. I'm not gonna lie. Freshly wrapped.
I know, both of them wrapped the same time too. I don't know how that worked out, but it worked out. It's like a matte gray. I actually really like it. You guys know I really wanted to do satin black before this, which I still want to do in the future, but it's sick. This is something I would do as well. Pulling up to a meet together though, we gotta go to a meet ASAP, dude, back to back. The only thing I'm jealous about is this front end. That new bumper is so aggressive compared to mine.
This looks insane.
This is ridiculous. It looks like real life Forza, guys. It does not look real. Imagine a rolling video of both of us swerving on traffic. Bro, that would be fire. Some guy pulled up right now and he thought they were Bugattis. I feel like if someone didn't know about cars and there's no emblems on it, it kind of does look like a Bugatti.
Yeah, I know.
We got Bugattis? What? Yeah, you look at that. I know. It's crazy, huh? On the freeway. They look insane together though. It's like the bigger brother of my car. I was gonna do the new front bumper, but we were just on a time crunch, guys. But I definitely still want to do the upgraded bumper conversion. Maybe on the next wrap, I'll do the bumper. Alright guys, it's the next gate now. I'm about to go meet up with the homies. I think Ray just put the same exact Valvetronic exhaust on his R8. So we're about to go over there right now, check out how it sounds, and just kick it with the homies. So let's go. Honestly, just an excuse to drive the R8. Any excuse I get, bro, I just want to drive this car. I also think this is the first time Anthony's about to see the R8 in blue, so we'll see what he thinks. I think he's gonna like it.
Damn.
You like it?
Yo, what the f? I told this blue is tough. Yo.
Yeah, I knew you would like it, bro. Yo, it's sick, right?
Bussin'. I told you this shit is nice as f. Sometimes you be cooking, but you cook, bro.
Well, it looks insane.
This is clean.
I know, it's pretty clean right now.
Black caps?
Yeah, they look better, right? I think it looks a lot better.
Look way different. All that is tough. I like this side.
Yeah, this side looks crazy with the color.
Some flavor right here.
Sheesh, look at the two R8s.
Oh, this just look crazy. Yo, hit your lights on them.
That your car is way louder.
What, this, right?
Yeah, with the exhaust. Same exact exhaust that we have on mine. Mine might be a little bit louder because it has something extra. But we'll see how loud it is. Oh my. Bro, why is it so loud?
Huh?
That's my cats?
Yeah.
There's no way, bro.
It is.
How?
Bro, your guys' idol is insane.
Yeah, your is loud, bro. Cars look insane together. I can't get over it, bro. Like, there's no way we both got R8s. I'm trying to convince Anto to get one. I think Anto needs one next, then we'll have 3 of them. How crazy would that be? Sheesh. You want to?
Yeah, hit the 2
It's gonna be loud, bro. We're trying to see if we can compare the exhaust. Bro, I can hear it echoing.
It bounces off here. Bro, it bounces off the mountains. Bad.
I can hear it over there, bro.
That's loud. That's just loud.
I don't think we should be doing this in this city, bro.
Right?
There's a lot of cops.
The cops are chill around here.
Hell!
Huh? The cops to chill around here.
A little bit.
How's it going?
The business in the front. Don't ravel it, please, because it's f***ing up our system over there.
Okay,
All right.
we'll hear you.
Because we're on the speaker with the PD and everyone.
Okay.
Is it a tow truck?
Yeah, it's not a call. The cops say, like, what is that noise, you know? So
All right.
whatever you guys do, just don't.
Okay. For sure, bro.
Nice cars though.
Thank you.
He said people were calling and they're saying, what is that noise?
He was mad at us, guys. He said it's too loud.
That was his excuse?
Yeah.
People were calling his business saying, what is that noise? Get out of here.
It's shaking his whole building.
That's cat.
It might, bro. I heard that over there. Both on BBS's too, which is the craziest thing. Literally $10,000 wheels, guys, on both cars. How crazy is that? I think his were more, actually. Those might be like 12,000. I think I said it before, but those are the only E89s on an R8. Like world's first. It's kind of crazy.
I left my jacket.
We're screwed. You left your jacket?
Yeah.
You want me to hold you? Alright, let's hear how this thing sounds. Sounds sick. Bro, it sounds crazy. Bro, they sound insane. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm just listening to the sounds. How crazy do both the cars sound together? I want to hear it from like an outside point of view. Yo, how crazy is this? R8 back to back. All BBS's too. It's a real life GTA server. You guys won't believe it. Look, it's a Tesla police car, bro. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. Bro, who are you gonna catch in a Tesla? That was the first time I've ever seen that before. Tesla police car. Oh, he pulled someone over. Ain't no way, bro. Oh, he's yelling at this person crossing the street. No, a Tesla police car is crazy. I did see that CHP got some new cars though. You seen that food? Tesla?
Who is he looking for?
We're gonna have a little photo shoot today. So today, in Nosatech, the people who made this color, made this color PPF, by the way, they want to have a little photo shoot with the R8. So we're about to meet up with them right now. It's supposed to be like a cool little photo shoot spot. And we're gonna shoot my car along with, I think, a P1, which would be cool to see. I think there's like 4 cars, and I think all of them all have the new color PPFs that are coming out this month. But yeah, we're like 3 minutes away, so let's go. We kind of have to be quiet around here because this city has hella cops.
Anything but quiet.
It's kind of hard to keep this car quiet though. And kind of hard to drive it normal too. It's so much fun. Another red light. Damn it!
Life is telling you something.
Slow down. You know what's crazy? I think I've said this story before, but that day I crashed my F80. Very sad, gray F80 that I crashed. I was coming up on lights and every light kept turning yellow. It was like telling me, slow down, and then I crashed. I feel like the lights were warning me. Kind of like this.
You didn't listen.
I always think of it.
Cut to 10 seconds ago when you said we gotta be real quiet. that's what you were gonna do, wasn't it?
That's the what I was gonna.
That's ridiculous. That looks insane.
It sounds like insane. What's up, guys? Made it. What's up? It's their first time ever seen the car too in Ozatech.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they've seen like I don't even think they've seen a photo. Yeah, this is their first time ever seen it on a car. Oh, and that's also the other color I was gonna do.
Wow.
What's funny now, guys, is that day I went to Ozatech and I had a little meeting with them. They showed me all these colors on a little piece of paper, right? And I got to pick between like 4 of them. It was this color, it was that red, and it's also the
first one we saw.
Yeah, and also the McLaren
Yeah.
P1. And those are the colors I was gonna choose. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys them all lined up so you guys can tell me if I made a mistake or not. But I think I made the right choice. I think this color suits the R8 way better than all those.
I think so too.
That red is sick though, I'm not gonna lie. You guys know I
I'm
love
not
red.
gonna lie either. That looks really nice.
But it's like burgundy, look at it.
No, I like your car. This is something different. Something that nobody's gonna expect for sure.
No one
for
expected
sure.
this color. Oh, the R8 looks so freaking good. I cannot get over this car, dude. I swear, I feel like I couldn't have chose a better color. Sheesh. It's literally like 2 completely different versions with this color wheels. And then you go to this side and it looks like a whole different car. I don't know which side I like better, to be honest. I still can't pick. I'm so glad I did 2 different colors. Like I said, it just gives 2 different like perspectives of the car. I don't know, I love it. But here's that P1 I was telling you guys about. This color is also very, very sick. It's another color that they offered me to do on the R8. It's honestly really nice. It's a sick color. It's like a black in the shade, but when it hits the light, it turns like a red burgundy. That color would have been sick. That was like my second option, to be honest. I don't know, that does look really good though. P1 is crazy. They got BBS LMs on it too. Same wheels as me. That's so baller, bro. Probably the only P1 with BBSs. I love when the wing comes up too. It also looks like a completely different car once the wing goes up. Oh, this is scary. I'd be scared. This is also one of their new colors. It's like a burgundy red, which I also like. You guys know I love red. Originally, I wanted to wrap it red, but this is too burgundy for me. If I would do it red, it has to be like my Corvette red, like a Ferrari red. And these were the colors I had to choose from. Did I make a right choice or no? Honestly, this color on the P1 would be crazy too. Damn, that thing is sick. Josephine?
Yes,
Guess how much that McLaren is?
Where?
The one that was over there. Yeah, on the trailer.
$1 million.
More.
Oh, no. I don't know.
Almost 2 probably.
Wow, it's pretty.
Damn, look at this place.
Oh, it looks orange.
Whoa. Yeah, the wrap, right?
Oh.
I told you that color changes so many colors.
Yeah.
That's why I was kind of nervous to do it, but it is pretty sick. You wish I would have chose that one?
No.
I was saying, imagine this blue on the P1. That would be crazy too.
Yeah.
If we would have switched.
No, I like the color you chose.
Damn, this is a sick little warehouse. What is that, a bunch of little garages? Oh, they are little shops. Bro, that is sick. It's like the most perfect garage. That's like car guy heaven.
Really?
Yeah,
Like
I would live there.
on top?
I would literally live there. You wanna live there? Imagine, guys, my R8 in the bottom, and then we sleep up top. How perfect would that be? We.
You in the car?
How can I rent one of these?
Yeah, you would be so happy. That's literally like what you've been talking about.
That's what I want, guys. I want to get a garage or a shop for me, but have like a little lounge up top like that, like a loft. Yeah, but the wing looks sick. Just making a bunch of noises. Oh yeah, now it looks
like
way
30
crazier.
seconds for the whole thing to kick into race mode, but it's like a process.
Insane with the wing, bro. That's like the best part I think about the P1. The huge wing, and it goes up and down. And yeah, now it's slammed. You guys saw how lifted it was when it came off the tow truck? Now it's slammed. Damn, these cars together. Look how crazy that wrap color is though. Wow, this would have been a sick color to do. I don't even know what color it is. It's like red, orange, purple, blue, black, all kinds of colors.
The car's probably estimated like at $1 million.
$1 million for this? Guys, look at the interior.
Give or take.
Oh, it is Go-Yard, bro. Fully Go-Yard interior on this. On the steering wheel. I know you would like that.
I was explaining it as
It's
best
like
as
real
I
bag? I
could.
don't
Yeah, they,
Yeah,
I
no
guess
bags.
they cut it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, we
that's
cut, like,
crazy.
8 of those like large
Yeah.
bags.
Damn. And it's just like $1 million.
Look at that thing.
Damn, that is nice, bro. That was brand new. That's super sick. How crazy that they cut up bags. Would that make you sad?
No.
Car guy cutting up bags.
It'll always live on.
Tell me. Oh, shoot. Tell me that doesn't look like Sally from Cars. It's literally Sally in there, bro. Look at it.
Oh my gosh, it's so much bigger in there. I thought it was...
I would live there. You wouldn't live there.
No, I couldn't see. From my point of view, it looked like... I can only see the red.
Don't get hit. Oh my god. Imagine we park all my cars on the bottom and then we're upstairs. That would be goals. I would literally do it. Also, that gray was also one of my second choices too. It reminded me like a stock R8 color though. But it's pretty sick. It's like a greenish gray. And I got like the first pick before everybody. But it's cool to see them like on little papers, and now I see them on all the
Like
cars.
in Cars.
Yeah, like it's really crazy. I got to pick out of these colors. Another reveal.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I know. What do you think about the P1 color?
It's 7.5 out of 10.
Really?
I like your color more.
You think mine's like the best out of all of them?
Your color is definitely
That was the choices I had to pick from, so did I make a good choice?
Yes.
Okay, imagine my blue on the P1. That would have been insane. Look at this car over here. Bro, I bet you there's so many crazy cars in these garages, dude. Like, just imagine. If this is just sitting outside, imagine everything else that's in these doors. Gated manual, too. I hear him revving something. What is it, Chris?
I asked me 30 seconds ago, would you do if there was an Ferrari in there?
It's a LaFerrari. No way. Oh my God, it is, bro. I said it as a joke. I said, what if there's a LaFerrari in there? There's no way. Bro, he just has a LaFerrari chilling in there. Look at that place, bro. I want a shop like this, dude. Wow. This is a perfect color, too. All right, that's a wrap. You guys will see these photos and all this content on the Nose Tech's Instagram and website and all that good stuff. Again, super hyped that I was chosen to be one of the cars to reveal the new colors on. I absolutely love this color, bro. Shout out to Nose Tech. Shout out to Premium as well. Premium for wrapping the entire car. They freaking killed it. It looks like a brand new paint job. Everyone that looks at it, they're like, bro, look at the R8 came like that.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.